Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today I will explain to you how to solve question on justified leading PE using a constant growth model. Okay, so refer to the information below. Total dividend payment is 40,000, net income 80,000, required rate of return 8% and the growth rate is 4%. The question asks us to calculate a justified leading PE for the stock. Remember, we have two types of PE can be calculated based on the constant growth model or Gordon growth model, which is leading PE and a trailing PE. Okay, so let us look into the formula for leading PE using a constant growth model. Okay, so this is the formula for justified leading PE using a constant growth model. The formula is 1 minus B divided by R minus G. Okay, what is 1 minus B? 1 minus B is equal to DPR. Remember, B is retention ratio. So the difference between 1 minus B is equal to DPR, or the other way around, when we got the value of DPR, 1 minus DPR equal to retention ratio. Okay, let us check into this information. Okay, does they give us the value of DPR? No, they don't give us the value of DPR. So that we need to calculate the value of DPR. What is the formula to calculate DPR? Yes, the formula is, we have two formula. First one, DPS divided by EPS, or total amount of dividend divided by total amount of net income. Okay, let us check which formula we can use. Okay, if we want to know which formula we can use, so we need to check the information given in the question. So in the question, we can see that they give us total dividend payment and net income. So we need to use the formula number 2, or this formula, dividend divided by net income equal to the DPR. Okay, what is DPR? DPR is dividend payout ratio. Okay, let us calculate the dividend payout ratio. Okay, so dividend 40,000 divided by net income 80,000. So we got the value of DPR is 0.5, meaning that the company paying out 50% of its dividend as a 50% of its total net income as a dividend, and the balance of 50% will be transferred to retained earning, or it's become a retention ratio. Okay, so here I think we have all the information. We got the value of DPR, R and G is given, so it's easy. Okay, so 0.5 divided by R is 8%, minus with the growth rate 4%. So the answer should be is 12.5 times. Remember, PE ratio, PE value, the unit value is in times. If you put other than times, for example, you put RM or you put percentage, the answer will be wrong. Okay? So price earning ratio is 12.5 times. Okay. If you ask to make a decision which stock you want to buy based on the PE ratio, so you should be given the market PE ratio. So in this question, they just ask you to calculate, so we no need to make any decision. Okay, so very simple question, but the most important things, you understand the formula and understand how to get the figure out. Okay, so that's all for justified leading PE. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.